Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you. Yes. Well, the guest of honor of the day, Professor Lee, and others from this other professor. This is a Veneluja. This is very difficult to pronounce anyway. Vice Chancellor Madam, hold this Amity team for organizing the SPIN 2018, that is the 15th series. Well, Dr. Datta already explained that's how this SPIN arisen here, but only I found this SPIN, name is SPIN, but it is only spinning with the time, not spinning with the axis, x-axis or distance. So all time the SPIN is organized here in this MIT campus, although they are saying they are having the 7 campus, 8 campus. I believe we should also spin all across your MIT campus, and that will be the best one. As you know, this is I represent from IEEE Uttar Pradesh section, and this is a technically co-sponsored. At the same time, I am representing the Asia Pacific for the conference and technical seminar coordinators. So, big challenge for us to organize the good quality conferences. You know that there are the N number of conferences, and in Everest, I can tell you in whole Asia Pacific, there is on average 2.5 conference each day. Each day. Approximately, we are having more than 700 conferences in Asia Pacific. That is called Region 10. We are having Region 8 also, and we are just fighting neck to neck. They are also organizing almost the same number, but their area is bigger, our area is smaller. So the concern arises to us how to maintain the quality of the conference. That's why now we are very cautious. Already Datta explained how he convinced us that MIT can also organize a good conference. And after that, you know, the MIT is whole normally in the UP sections, we are organizing 20 to 25 conferences in a year, and 5 to 6 basically organizing the MIT campus of this Noida. So all their departments they are doing, and they're very energetic, and now we are trying to curtail it. We are trying that why not they can come jointly and try to minimize. But anyway, they are doing very good conference. How to assess the good conference or bad conference, all that depends upon how you are giving up packets. Because the conference is full of gift, and it should give to each and individual those are attending the conference. For example, many people here, those are presenting the paper, they are giving the idea. So the conference is a place where you can acquire the knowledge, at the same time you are disseminating the knowledge what you have done in your research here and there. Apart from that, many people may not be of that area, because me too, I am from pure electrical power engineering. But anyway, I also use the signal processing techniques for my own applications in the electrical engineering. So another part of this one, to good networking, to talk each other, because you know, by email conversation, another thing is not working if you are connecting with the face-to-face. And I came to know many here, the graduates or students of MIT are due to this various speakers, already 35 in number, just you can see, they will be delivering the research in the niche area. And that is a current advancement, the technology where it is going, and what will be the ahead, even though they will be also talking for the future 5 to 10 years. And that is basically the need of this country as well as other country too. So the conference here, it is the one place where you can meet the people, you can exchange your idea, you can acquire the knowledge, and sometimes we are working in this area, you also find and search that other area how you can utilize it. That's why we say nowadays the multi-area disciplinary, the research is now the boom of the air. No doubt, as I said, in India, the IEEE is growing in the very fast rate. And you know, we are having the 11 sections, and in 11 sections, we are having approximately 50,000 members. So this is one of the biggest country other than US that's having the member in this, including both my student as well as the professional members. Along with the MIT, we are going to have another conference, slightly, so slightly different, because here always a paper presentation and this and that. And with the initiation of the Vice Chancellor of your university, Professor Shukla, that we are going to organize along with the IIT Kanpur, MMIT Gorakhpur, and this MIT, the Innovation and Incubation Conference here in the MIT. That will be in the December, already approved by IEEE Uttar Pradesh section. So we are just going to many things in this, doing again for the benefit of all, including student, researcher, even though other guests as well. This is, as I said, 15 series, 6 in series again. This is approved by IEEE section, and again it will be the same month. Always he organized almost the same date also. I think the date is also same. this one as well. So the conferences here, there is a keynote speaker, I'm sure. That's one of the good part of this. The many industry people that he invites, especially at the last day, and also many the academicians as well as industry people, they will be sharing their knowledge of what is happening current around the world, around the India as well. So I hope you will be getting benefited by all these events, and I wish for the great success of this conference. Thank you very much.